Today's song is Two Black Ants. Hello there. As you can probably see, I'm a spider. Spiders love ants, especially big, juicy ants. Today we're going to learn a song about two black ants. You can find it in the Faber Piano Adventures primer lesson book. We play this song using our left hand, and we play on the groups of two black keys, starting in the middle of the piano and moving downwards to the left. Remember how we number our fingers? The thumb is always finger number 1, and we count the fingers from the thumb to the little finger. The little finger is always finger number 5. In Two Black Ants, we will use fingers 2 and 3 on the two black keys as we move lower and lower on the piano. This song looks and sounds like this.